Hi, so these are the hydraulic fittings, different type of hydraulic fittings. So I will tell you what is the difference and how you can choose the correct type of fitting for your task, for your job, for your hydraulic hoses. You have to know before to start with the hydraulic system. You have to know how to crimp the hose, which type of fitting you have to use. Okay, I have different types of fittings here. This is a half inch. Okay, this we will call ferrule. Okay, so as you can see the line, this is single layer, single line. You can see here, this means this is low pressure. Okay, and this is the JIC fitting. Okay, I'll tell you how you call JIC. This, because of this inside, you will call JIC. Okay, this is the one set. Next is also half inch JIC, and other side is NPT. This you call NPT thread. This thread you will call NPT, and this will call JIC. Okay, this is 3/8 elbow, and this is ferrule. This is JIC male. You can see the groove, this inside. This called JIC male, and you see this one JIC female. So what is different between male and female? And you will connect this one. This is male. Okay, and this is female. So you can fix this one, male female. Okay, you can fix this one here, and this you cannot fix, because this is male and this is also male. You can see here, there, both are male. You cannot connect. You need to have these two. One is female, one is male. Okay, then you can use this one. Okay, this is NPT. One side NPT 1/4 and 1/4 JIC. You can also use for different type of applications. This is 1 inch elbow ferrule. This is elbow fitting, and this is ferrule. You can see two lines. This two lines will show you how many bar pressure you can use this ferrule. Okay, you can see the inside. You have to put on the hose up to here in the final. Okay, and you can see this one. When you press in the crimping machine, this groove, this and this one will be locked with crimping machine. Okay, so the hose will not come out. The hose will be squeezed inside these grooves, the hose. Okay, and it will not come out from this lock. I hope you like my video. Okay, thank you.